everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. In 2024, we're going to set a goal of getting 3 dealers. We have one already, and we'll talk a little bit more about that as we go through this. But we're looking for West, East, and Central. We have Central now with our first dealer in Texas. So we don't care what your systems are, 2-channel, multiple. You know, our whole process is room management. Just as you spend enough time, a lot of time on gear, cables, and all the things to make the music, we spent as much time as you do, probably more, on the room. So it's that synergy between gear and room that we're after, because you have to manage both to get resolution. You have to have a certain resolution of gear. You have to have a certain resolution of room to match, and that's the way it has to be. So must subscribe to 50/50 paradigm. The final presentation value of what you hear is 50% gear and 50% room. We can discuss all day long differences about that. Nobody knows what the hell they're talking about anyway. But we got to have this paradigm, because we have to have equal weight to both, because it's the only way you're going to get the maximum performance out of both the room and the gear. So there can't be any compromise. 50% gear, 50% room. You don't have to have any inventory, but you got to have a demo room. Listen, people got to see this stuff, and they got to hear it. Once they hear it, problem solved. They'll get it immediately. So we want to put it in a position where you can put them in the chair, press the play button. Voila, they get it right away, okay? One song's worth 1,000 words, like a picture? Pretty close. So you got to have the demo room. We got to be able to treat 4 walls and the ceiling. There might be some exceptions to the ceiling here, but probably not. And here's the reason for that. Because most clients can't afford to do the whole room. And they want to know, well, if I put absorption on this wall, what am I going to hear? If I put diffusion over here, what am I going to hear? They want to know what each wall contributes to this ratio sonically. And the only way you can do that is to have a room. All of our units are on wheels. You can do ABs all day long if you want to. They roll real easy, so it's not a problem. We're talking 25 to 30K retail. There'll be a reduced price for dealers, and we'll work with you on pricing. But you got to have some skin in the game. You got to be serious. Because to be honest with you, I don't need dealers. We're manufactured direct, have been for 17 years. But I really feel this is a way for more people to come and see it, because our facility here in 2024, at the end of 24, will be gone. So with dealers, at least people will be able to come and see it in different parts of the country. So that's the long 1-year plan for this program. So please be serious. You know, please have the financial ability to, you know, get your demo units. I'll come out. I'll tune the room for you. I'll make sure it's perfect. We give 30 demos a month at our facility here. So I'm very aware of what needs to be done, how to get the most communication to the person, the client, in a short amount of time. And that's all done musically. So we can figure all that out. I'll even be more than willing to come and give seminars, talks if you want. So it's going to be a process where we can build these 3 dealers over the next 12 months. So that's our goal. If you're interested, send an email to put dealer inquiry in the subject line. Send an email to Steven at info@acousticfields.com. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.